Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Steam login problems. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you will fail to go ahead and log in into the Steam account, and the major reasons are as follows. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using, and inside of your browser, what you want to do is simply go ahead and check for Steam status, just like that. Once you do that, simply go ahead and click on down detector link, and it will simply go ahead and show you if there are any problem with the game. As you can see, it is operating perfectly fine, which means it is not the problem. The second problem could be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or if you're on a PC, you want to simply go ahead and head into network and settings, and then get into Ethernet, and then click on edit when it comes to the DNS server assignment. Inside of here, you want to simply go ahead and put it from automatic to manual, and then turn on the IPv4. Put the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate to 8.8.8.4, and once you do that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. Also, if you are using any active VPNs or proxies, it does cause the problem, so turn that off. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.